What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delay your voice like you see on YouTube. A lot of people think it's very hard, but it's actually super easy. I did it in my first try. So yeah, I'm just going to be giving you a tutorial today on how to delay your voice. I'm going to demonstrate first. Hi. Hello. Alright, so yeah, that was it. Now what you're gonna want to do is you're going to want to move your mouth like you are saying something. Like for this, let's do hi. So I'll go, and then what you're gonna want to do is smile like this and close your teeth, and see I can still talk with my teeth closed. You just don't want to choose a word that you have to touch your lips together to say. Basically, you can say it through your teeth. Try right now. Hi. So yeah, that's the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned from this, and now you know how to delay your voice. And I'll see you guys in the next video.